Not really sure what this was, but pretty sure it's not supposed to look like that. Yeah, it's like really growing hair. It's like growing real hair or something, you know? Like, what are you? Let's explore. I don't know if they're roots or little hairs, but it's really disgusting considering it was maybe like, you know, I really don't know. Tuna fish, maybe? It used to be tuna fish? I don't know. Weird back of the refrigerator stuff. Yeah. Guess it should have been thrown away quite a long time ago, but it was hiding in the back of the refrigerator. Now it looks like a disgusting mountain of yuck.